Hello and welcome. My name is David Samuji. If you're just joining me for the first time, I say welcome. Yes, my channel is all about creating design tutorial for you guys, and that is something I intend to keep doing for you guys so that you guys can make money from your design. If you want to become a designer, that will be fine. If you want to make passive income from your designs, that will be fine. If you want to put your designs on T-shirt design, that will still be fine. My aim is to create these tutorials almost every day, if not daily, just to make sure you have a tutorial to watch on a single day. I've been doing it for a while now, and you would have seen it for yourself on my channel, so you can go through my channel and just see something new for yourself you can design. Okay, so now I'll be creating a t-shirt design again today, and I'll be showing you how to do that because that's what I do on my channel. You'll be wondering what site is this. This is Placeit, just in case you don't know. And for t-shirt design, we just have to go to design, t-shirt design. Okay, so once we click on t-shirt design, it's gonna open on a new tab, and then we'll go from there. In the Christmas season, so I think we just have to do the Christmas theme t-shirt. All right, so let's do Christmas theme. So just search in templates. You can decide to search here for Christmas theme t-shirt, or you come down here to tags. Okay, it says tags, and you can just come over. Right, you can just come over and do Christmas. You can come over, do Christmas. You just search it, you can see Christmas, so you click on that. So it will give you a lot of designs you can pick and re-edit to suit your own need. Okay, so it will just give you a lot of designs. You can just scroll, find one that suits your need. Okay, so as easy as that, does not need to be complicated. Okay, should never be complicated. Okay, I can use this one for example. I love the bear riding. Okay, so you can see how cool Placeit can be for your design. It does not have to take you a lot of time to create this once. All you have to do is to pick your mockup, go click on it, and once it loads up, you just make some edit. If you want to change the wording, you change the wording. Okay, so basically that's how it works. You just change things around. You can change the images, whatever you deem fit. So for this one, I'm going to be changing the images. Okay, I'm going to be changing the images for this one once it loads up for me, because it's taking a lot of time. So once it loads up for me, okay, now it has loaded up. So to change this particular design, I can decide to click on this one, the dancing bear. Okay, you can see how cool it's looking. You can do happy dance. All right, so to change it to happy dance instead of happy ride, I can go over and just change it from here. Okay, just do dance. Okay, you can see how cool it is to change this around. You say now it says happy dance. You can do until Christmas Eve or until Christmas, whatever, until Christmas calls. Okay, so I can change this one to call. Okay, so I can just change this to call. Alright, so you can see how easy this design is to create. Does not need to take you a lot of time to create your design. You can also change your color around. So let's assume we want to change the main color's face. You can do that from here. You can just make, if you want to make him a blue boy, alright, you can just change his colors from here. You can see, you can change his face. You can, like for me, I'm brown skin, so I can decide to just make it that color. Alright, and you can decide to change his clothes. Alright, can decide to change this cloth to a different color, glass color. And decide to change that to a different color. Okay, I like the glass color. So you see how it gives you that opportunity to change different snow base color. All right, extras. Okay, you can change that to green to represent Christmas itself. So you see how easy it is to just change things around. So you can keep doing this. You can change this to red. Let's see what red looks like for this one. Okay, so you can see how easy it is to just change things around, and you can keep doing that for as much as you want with different colors, different theme, different design. You can make as much designs as possible with this one. But remember, once you're done, you always want to turn off the background. Okay, you see where it says background, you always want to turn that off. Okay, you don't want the background, so you click on this, you click on that, it turns off the background, and now you can go ahead and save your design to upload it to print on demand site, or if you want to print it on your shirt for your own self, you can do that. In the description there is a link if you want to use Placeit. If you want to use Placeit, you get 15% off from me. It's a gift from me to you. You get 15% off. So make sure you check the link in the description, the very first link in the description. Just open it and sign up. Go to pricing and pick a plan for yourself, and you'll be good to go. So once it open up, you just come to pricing and pick a plan. You're going to get 15% off. So with that said, I want to tell you to turn to your right now. You see a playlist. Make sure you watch that playlist. Enjoy yourself, and I will see you on the next one. Please stay safe.